Introducing words with N and ed. Listen closely for the words of the day. Listen for N words that come your way. There once was a hen who lived inside a den. 4 tall men dropped their pen, which scared her babies of 10. Wait now, we are not done. Sound out these words one by one. T, e, n, 10. P, e, n, pen. D, e, n, den. Warm up your eyes. It's time to read. Let's whisper these words with a steady speed. Listen again. There are more words to hear. Listen for the ed words that appear. There once was a man named Ned who watched 2 friends be wed. After being fed cake bright red, he was led to a soft guest bed. Don't worry, almost done. Sound out these words one by one. F, e, d, fed. L, e, d, led. R, e, d, red. It's time to write. Don't get tricked. You'll spell both types of words, so carefully pick. Grab a marker or something to write with. Spell hen, hen. Check your work. H, E, N. Spell bed, bed. Check your work. B, E, D. Spell men, men. Check your work. M, E, N. Last one. Spell wed, wed. Check your work. W, E, D. Great job!
Yay!
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.